Hi everyone. It seems that I am out of publish time on me video, so I'm going to try to cheat the system and record my video with Screen Test-O-Matic. Let's see how this works out. Hello everyone. Today you're going to see the directions for task number 5 of our current project. Simply put, you're going to take 3 screws and fasten them to a piece of 2x4 in 3 different ways. You can get a piece of 2x4 from a bit, attach a clamp to it. You don't necessarily have to have the piece of wood clamp to the table, but if you put a parallel clamp or a wood clamp on it the way I have it, it'll keep your piece of wood stable enough to work on. The first step is to make a straight line on our 2x4, and that'll come into play a little later. Oh, I guess I should have done this. You just need a straight line. It doesn't have to be particularly in the middle. And the first thing you want to do is just start with the first screw and your drill. Attach that screw to the wood thusly. The next screw that you attach, I'd like you to first drill a hole. I have some drill bits over here. To select the right drill bit, look at the screw you have. You want your drill bit to be a little smaller than the center of the screw. And it seems that this one will be fine. I can pull it out, and there we go. Put the screw down here in the drill bit. With our drill, we can remove the tip holder, and then put the drill bit in, tighten it back up. And simply drill into the wood on that same line. And then again, remove the screw, remove the drill, put the screw tip back in, and fasten the screw to the wood. The last screw we're going to attach also gets a pilot hole. Drill a hole for that. And then we're going to countersink that hole by making the top of the hole, the top quarter inch of the hole, wider than the one we just drilled. We're going to select this bigger drill bit right here, because it is about as big as the head of the screw. I think you can even see that. Again, we turn to our drill. Go down in the wood just a little bit, for a quarter inch. And then drive our screw. But instead of driving the screw with the drill bit, and then we drive our screw using the screw tip. Screw, and here we go. The last part of this exercise, which I will not show you, is that you will get a a chisel, and you will split the wood down the center here, where the screws are, and examine the screws in the wood. You'll fill out the lab form that accompanies this video, and that's the end of task number 5. Good luck.